Hello, this is the Emobi. If you want to restore a previous backup on AnyTrans, this video will help you do that. Please launch AnyTrans at first, and then connect your device. Once the connection is successful, our software will read your device data. Please find Backup Manager function. Click it. Click Restore. And you will see the screen below. Select the backup you need. Click Full to open the backup. It will take some time to load the backup content. Please be patient. Check whether the contents of this backup are what you want. If this is the backup you wanted, click back to return to the previous step. Select the backup and click Next. The restoring process will start by default, and your device will restart. After the device restarts, please set up the device, then trust the computer and click Yes, I know. Please keep your device connected, and the restoring progress will take some time. Please wait patiently. After the process completes, you will see Restore Process Completed interface. Then you can open the device to check whether the data is restored successfully.